me shake them up one good time. Let's get it real shook. I don't think this jar is waterproof. All right, wait for y'all to come on. It takes a minute to get notifications. Good morning, good afternoon, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, everything. Hey, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Let me find me. Cheryl, turn your volume down. Y'all, I've been ripping and running all morning. Oh, Cheryl, you kind of... Okay, let me go to the group, and then I'm moving all this stuff. Let me see. Can y'all hear me okay? Let me see if I can hear myself. Okay, y'all can hear me. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Let me put everyone so people can get big bad. They be, you know what? I'm going to stop because you have what you say. People don't be mad. They love when I add everyone. You see how I changed? I don't think I could do it on live. Add everyone. I don't think you could do it in here. Well, I don't know if I'm typing right. I'm typing with my left hand. I don't think you could do it on, well, if you can, they do it, because I get people who do it all the time. I don't know how to do stuff that technical. Let's see if it do it. We'll see. We'll see, because they'll be talking about, Cheryl, where you at? This is going to be moved to YouTube University, because my numbers went up just a little tiny bit. Because like I say, everybody don't see everything, but if I promote it, and if I start doing videos with different colors, like if I start doing pink, and I'm actually placing them somewhere, then what'll happen is somebody will ask, where's the class? Or if y'all start showing your water beads, aroma water beads, or whatever you want to call them, aromas, once you start dropping yours in here, people will say, oh my gosh, where are they? Y'all see me drop links. I dropped some links because I'm strategically doing it. The water was clear. I shook it up. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and all that good stuff. What's up, Mr. Ash? What's up, Jen, Christine? I see y'all. I'm waiting for a few more people to get notifications. Hey, Karen. How are you, darling? Hey, Tanya. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. Y'all didn't look at the time. Y'all got me called it all wrong. What's up? Hey, Christina. Carla. What's up, Carla? Carla say, sure, where you at, girl? I had to package up some orders before the mailman come. And, you know, it feel like you on a time clock. And, you know, your customers don't understand you doing a class for free. Do you want me to ship your package, or do you want me to Elsa Carla and come on live and drop everything? So I got some of the orders out, and I just told them to come back Monday. So I'm still good. I'm still within my window. If you do not have something on your website as a subscription box, you should put a subscription box on your website. You'll be amazed at how many people. Now, don't make the subscription box in our neighborhood, because we kind of don't make it $45, $50. Find out what you could make for $15 or $20 with shipping, or $25 with free shipping. Try and figure out something like that. This is something that I would put in a subscription box once I put tops and lids on them and put all that stuff. Let's get to it. So I'm pouring most of my water off. I'm holding it with one hand. I don't know. Y'all don't need to see this part, but hey, y'all like to see every move I make, every step I take. I hope this bottle thing big enough. And you see the different colors? I'm pouring the water completely off. I'm just having my hand to catch it. If a bead or two fall in there, you know, it ain't no biggie. And one just did. Okay, so I'm about pretty much finished. What I'm going to do to seal it, don't ask me, Cheryl, what does this do? Cheryl, don't ask Cheryl, just Cheryl, how does it smell? Good. So I'm going to take some of my, I'm going to say cholesterol, castor oil, and I'm just going to drizzle it on here like I'm drizzling. I'm trying to get rid of this because it's the last little bit in this bottle, and I got another bottle in there, but I'm just drizzling, let's say a teaspoon in there, but see, it wasn't but probably a teaspoon in here, so I'm going to lay it to the side. Then I'm going to turn around and add some more fragrance oil. How much fragrance oil, Cheryl? About a teaspoonful, because I don't want it all leaky. I don't know if the oil is a carrier oil, and maybe the carrier oil takes and carries it like it does everything else. Carry this carry. And then I shake it up. I don't care about the cloudiness, because you don't see the cloudiness once it hits the bottle. And that's all I'm doing is shaking it up. Going from top to bottom. And then that's it. And if you want to rinse them off a little bit and do it like that, you can, but I'm not. And I'm just going to put them in here just like this, like that. And that's it. And they just go in and dry. Or if you wanted to, you could add a little bit more water. That's up to you, just to take some of the color off if you wanted to, and shake them up if it's too cloudy for you. I don't see where they too cloudy for me, but I'm just giving you an options because the water will take and go to the bottom some. But I'm just shaking them up. Make sure you have a leak-proof lid because these lids ain't leak-proof too much or nothing. And then if I'm going to do it on live or if I'm doing a video for content, oh my gosh, Cheryl, what are those, girl? They are AROMA beads. These are water beads. These are little slippery little suckers. And if I were you and if I was going to give these out, please put a child's caution on them. If you don't know what I'm talking about, click on water beads and kids. I don't see stuff, but my daughter told me that the child had added and they're about on their 12th surgery. So they're very, very awful for kids. But see how I did it? You can see the different sizes, and I had more than enough water. So the clear were probably the Orbeez. The white ones are big. The ones that don't smell worth too much or nothing are the ones that's kind of big. And then you just put your top on it. And if you want to, you can pour a little bit more on there. What they gonna do? You can pour a little bit more on here. And put it in there. You see I ain't put much in there. Just add a little bit more sugar to make it sweet. And just stir it up and say, hey, everybody, this is it. And y'all see? The jar isn't cloudy. It's my white beads. The jar is not cloudy. As you can see, that's why I got it in the window so you can see. Bring it close in your face. So even though the water was cloudy, I'm not concerned about the cloudy water. I just don't want to be cloudy in my jar. And it's not. And then I would put one of those lids. I don't know what I did with them lids. Y'all, I be just buying stuff and don't know where I put it and call myself cleaning up. If y'all got any questions, drop them real quick. I don't know what them lids